All three of you will answer. If two triangles had to be congruent, what do you mean by congruent? What is congruent? If two triangles are given, both have to have same shape and size, right? For that, what are the two things we measure? Shape and width. Size and angle. In size and angle, we have four criterions. What are the criterions? Side, 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 angle, angle, side, RHS. Right? These are the four concepts. Based on this, you have to solve. You are thorough with that basic concept. All this, what is side? You know all those, right? Okay, we'll start with questions here. And one more thing. So, in a triangle, congruent, and one more thing is midpoint. You'll have to know what is midpoint. A, B, C. If I keep a point on BC, students, line BC, I'll name it as D. It is a midpoint. What do you mean by midpoint? From A to D, if I draw a line, this D will split AB into how many parts? BC into two parts. D will split. So if BD is 5 centimeter, DC will be 5. D is known as the midpoint. Okay, this is the meaning. Midpoint meaning is the center one. That is midpoint. Okay. So first question, we'll start from the second one, students. First, identify how many triangles are there. Second question, how many triangles? In second question, how many triangles are there? ABP is one, and yes, PBC is one, or PBL is one, PBM is another one, right? What kind of triangles are those? Marking is given. What kind of triangle? Right angle triangle. So let us take both the triangle and we have to solve. In triangle, if you want, draw a separate triangle, or let us start from this. In triangle LPB, and you have to write like this. In triangle, what are the two triangles? LBP and PBM. LPB, good. PBM. In these two, which side is common to both? Which side is common? PB, right? So BP or PB is equals to PB, right? What will you write here? Common side. See, basically you have to find whether it is side angle given. That's it. Next, can you tell me what are other things which are common? Angle. That's it. Both are 90 degrees. Angle L is equals to angle M in bracket 90 degrees. So what are the two things we have found so far? One side and one angle. What are the possible criterions we have? Side, side, side. Is it possible? No, no. Is it possible to find side, side, side here? No, because one angle, we found one angle, not possible. Side angle side is possible, and angle angle side. So we'll see whether it is side angle side or angle angle side. Fine. Okay. Now PB is common to both. Okay, PB is common. Then we have one right angle. What are the other things given here in the question? Read the question. Write the same thing. PL is equals to PM. What is this PL is equals to PM? Is it side or angle? It's a side. So can I write PL is equals to PM? That is given or we found out? It is given. It is given. So what you have to prove that PB is the bisector of ABC. What do you mean by bisector? Angle. Look here. If you talk about angle bisector, PB. See, let me take ABC. The meaning of angle bisector, P will divide these two angles. The line PB will divide. If example, the entire value of B is 60 degree. If I draw a line PB, and I name it as angle bisector. I call this as angle bisector. What do you mean by bisector? It splits into two parts. It splits what into two parts? Angle. So which line is splitting angle into two parts? Line BP is splitting angle B into two parts. So each angle will be 30. If they are congruent, BP will be the middle line, correct? BP is common to both, therefore the angles also will be same. If this is 30 degree, what about the other one, students? If both are congruent, their angles also should be same. That is known as congruency. If the angles are same, 30 degree, then what do you call the line BP? BP will be angle. So first you have to prove whether they are congruent or not. Look, this is how you prove they are congruent. Can you see I've written it? PB is equals to PB, common side. Angle L is equals to angle M. PL is equals to PM. So they are congruent under which criterion? Yeah, they are congruent under which criterion? Side angle side. So you have to write triangle LBP is congruent under side angle side. Yeah, Delisha, why are you late? Oh, he left. Okay, fine. 6:20 left. Fine, no problem. Completed physics. How many chapters left? Again, when do you have tuition? Tomorrow? Okay, fine. See, I've finished the second one. From third one, you can solve. From third question. They are congruent, students. And what you have to prove here? What you have to prove that BP is angle bisector, right? Can you see? You have to prove BP is angle bisector. So how will you tell that BP is angle bisector, students? If both are congruent, which two angles are equal here? You can write angle PBL is equal to angle, yes, PBM. You can just write it like this. Angle are equal. And what is the reason you have to write? Apart from congruency, what are the other things I told you? Do you remember CPCT? Yeah. This is a congruent triangle. And what are this PBL and PBM? They are the paths of this congruent triangle, right? Corresponding paths of congruent triangle. The meaning of corresponding is, yeah, the meaning of corresponding is same. Just because the angles are same, you write CPCT. That's it. CPCT. It is simple, students. First, let them give any corresponding questions. First, you have to prove them like this. Then you write this and write, therefore, BP is angle bisector. BP is angle bisector. Will you all try this? Will you all complete it? Yeah, complete it. Just go through. If you have any doubts, let me know. We'll solve at least 5 questions. Remaining, we'll do it on Wednesday. Yes, Adya, log in at 6:40. Adya. No, 6:50. Log in at 6:50. Yeah, be quick, students. We'll try at least 3-4 questions. Okay, shall we try the next one? Completed. Next, third one. Tell me how many triangles are given here. There are two. Two. Read the question and tell me. Yeah, how will you split? Delicia, read this. Delicia, were you there when I taught side, 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 all those concepts, side angle, side, criterion? Okay, look at the third one. In the given figure, what are the equal sides? Yeah, in the given figure, equal sides, B and if B and CA is one part. See, first always read the question. BA is equals to which one? CA, the green line. Next, yeah, next, what else? Are produced such that what? AP is equals to AQ. Then which is the triangle we have to take? What are the two triangles we have? And what you have to prove? You have to prove that PP is equals to QC. So what are the two triangles you have to split, students? PAB and QAC, right? In triangle. Look, I'll make it very simple. Just write in triangle PAB and triangle QAC. Which two sides are equal? Which is already given in the question. AP is equals to AQ, right? Given. Write the statement given. Next, what are the two sides which are equal? B and CA. Can you see equal sides? So BA is equals to CA. That is also given. What are the two things we have found so far? Angle or side? Both are sides, right? And what diagram? Yes, what diagram? What angle do you think is common to both? Which angle is common? Angle A is common. And where is angle A found? On, can you see alphabet X? So what do you call that angle? Vertically? That's it. Vertically opposite angle. So how many sides and how many angles we have found? Two sides and one angle. And where is that angle? Isn't it in between? So you can write angle PAB is equals to which angle? QAC. Angle PAB AQ. What is the reason you have to write? Vertically. So this is criteria. This is congruent under which criterion? Side angle side. Yeah, two sides are given. Look here, two sides are given, one angle is given. Go through everything. Side angle side, angle angle side. Then what are the things we have? Side, 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 RHS. So if you get two angles on one side, it comes under which one? Comes under which one? Side angle? Side angle side. See, it is not mandatory. Yeah, it is not mandatory. You have to write SSA. Is there any criterion called SSA? No. You can write it like this, students. You to prove it, you can write SS first, A next. That is fine. But when you're writing the statement, look here. I'll tell you how to write. Therefore, angle PAB. Therefore, triangle PAB is congruent to triangle QAC. And under what criterion you have to write? Side angle, side angle, side. Fine. After proving, I'll give you a time to copy first. Wait. What you have to prove here? PB is equals to, yeah, PB is equal. If they are congruent, do you think the third side will be equal? PAB will be equal to QC, right? Yeah, just copy that and write. Therefore, PB is equals to QC. And what is the criterion you have to write? Correct. PP, that's it. Simple. That day when I taught, nobody responded. I got irritated. I stopped. If not, I would have completed this topic. 2 days was enough. 2 or 3 hours. Within 2, 3 days, you can complete it. But now it's too late. Okay, complete this. We'll try the next one. Completed? All of you are done? PB is equals to QC. Okay, next. Shall we try the next one? Fourth one? Read the fourth one, students. Fourth question. What is given there? Yeah, fourth question. What is given? How do you split the triangle here? Okay, tell me, where can you see right angle triangle? Where can you see right angle triangle? Angle LN. What's the other one? You can see another one, right? No, no, no. What is the angle L and angle M? Right? They are in which triangle? Angle M and LN is in which triangle? No. Check properly. Okay. What are the other two sides given which are equal? Read the question. Read. In the given figure, median AD of ABC, right? Which is median? Yes, of ABC. So median AD is produced, students. If D is median, what did I tell you all? Look at A, B, C. If D is the median, then D, what do you mean by median? D is the midpoint. If D is midpoint, what will be the value of BD and DC? Equal? Equal. So which triangle should I take? Tell me which two sides are equal and which two angles are equal. Correct. Can you see this BLD? One triangle and the other triangle is TMC. Whatever, see, they won't directly take these two triangles and solve. They won't give it like that. They'll give an indirect way. So can you see what's the indirect way given here? Median is AD. If median is AD, D is the midpoint. So in triangle LBD and triangle MDC. Can you tell me which two angles are 90 degrees here? Which two angles are 90 degrees? Yeah, even this is a very simple question. Just think an answer. Angle L is equals to angle M, 90 degree, that is given. Next, which two sides are equal or which angle is common here? Which angle is common? Angle D. How do I write angle D? BDL. Angle BDL is equals to angle CDM. And what do you write? Isn't it formed at X? Can you see at X? The symbol X. Look here, let me draw the alphabet X. This and this. Take these two blue lines. Can you see at angle X? Yeah. So what do you call it? If at angle X, any angle formed at angle X, we call it as what? Opposite angle. Next. If AD is the median, it splits into which two parts? It splits BD and DC into equal parts, right? So which two sides are equal here? Which two sides are equal? BD will be equal to CD. What will you write? BD will be equal to CD. What's the reason you have to write? Not given. It's not given. AD is the median. That's it. AD is the median. Or you can write median divides. Median divides BC into two equal parts. Fine. Instead of writing lengthy value statement like that, just write AD is the median, students. AD is the median. What they have asked us to prove? Prove that BL is equals to CM. Are they congruent or not? These 3 points are there. So it comes under which criterion? What are the things we have found? One angle we have found. Even this also is angle. What about this one? Side. So it is congruent under angle side. Yes, very good. Therefore, angle LBD is congruent to angle MDC in bracket angle side. And what they have asked us to prove? You read what they have asked to prove. Just copy that. You have to therefore BL is equals to CM. Right? What will you write? In brackets TP. That's it. Just prove whatever they ask, copy that, write CPCT, you'll get marks. This is congruency. Complete it. Completed students, I'll be back. So, students done? Okay, next two questions I'll mark. You just complete by then. 10 standards will attend. You just complete this. Look here. Can you see two triangles given here? Two triangles. Which two sides are equal? What they have given? PA is equals to. All unmute student. PA, no. PA is equals to, how come AB? What is given here? QB. They've already given PA is equals to QB. So one side they've given. One side. What is that angle which is common? Common to both? Angle. So one angle is given and any other angle which are equal or 90 degrees. So it is congruent under which criteria? How many angles we found? Two angles and one side. Will you write the statement? Will you write this? I give you all 10 minutes time. That question and this question. Can you see this? Seventh and eighth question. Try the sixth and seventh students. Will you try sixth and seventh? Yeah, try sixth and seventh. Do one thing. It is eight. Okay, you'll just leave this meeting. Leave this meeting. Can you join at 7:05? Will you complete and join at 7:05? Okay, I'll discuss. Join after 10 minutes. You all can leave now. Join after 10 minutes. Yeah, complete that. Complete that. Yeah, good evening, students. Good evening. Prepared? Well prepared? Yes, good evening. Good evening, all of you. Did you all revise those chapters, whatever I told? Yeah, good evening, students. Did you all revise? Why no reply? I'm asking you all, right? Revised it? Okay.